I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the transmitter and vehicle properly. Do this now. Turn on the transmitter first, then connect the vehicle battery, but keep the ESC off. Insert the receiver bind plug into the receiver if required by your model. Some newer TQI modules bind without a plug. You do this to ensure both units are awake and waiting for a bind signal. Once ready, watch the LED indicators so you can tell when the receiver enters bind mode. This is critical for the next step. Now you initiate the actual bind. With the transmitter on, enter the bind procedure. Press and hold the protocol or bind button, or select bind on the menu, depending on your TQ model. While holding bind on the transmitter, power up the receiver or ESC to trigger receiver bind. You should see a blinking LED indicating bind mode. Release the buttons once both sides are signaling. The transmitter will search and then lock to the receiver. Make sure to keep them close and avoid moving the antenna during this process. Finish by removing any bind plug and rebooting both transmitter and ESC. This clears temporary states and confirms the link. Power the transmitter, then the vehicle, and gently test steering and throttle at low throttle. Trim if needed. If controls respond, perform a range check before full use. If binding fails, retry the exact sequence, try fresh batteries, move to a different location to avoid interference, or reset the receiver to factory defaults. This usually resolves persistent binding issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.